to another video. Let me, oh, come on. Yeah, I got a mythical chest with 1 ruby in it. Okay, then. What a great start. This guy only has 6 rebirths and I have 52. 1% mythical. Watch me just get a random mythical. I already have Treble 4. I got 3 rubies because I unlocked a double. Yeah. You taking this one now, baby? Crazy. I want to get a mythical. I've never had a mythical. I got a legendary in this. Ooh, that's a beautiful one. That's beautiful. That's so close to a mythical though. Let me have 13 things. Dude, you ain't catching up to me. You ain't no catcher up yet. Hey, how do you take it? Dang, this dude ain't gonna take it, a good thing. Bam, 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 bam. Bada bee, bada bada bee, da, bada boom, da, 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 do, da. Da, da, dee, da, 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 do, da, 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 dee, da, 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 do. However you will say it, I don't even know. I'm good. Okay, now what? Now it's just to catch up all the sand. I need to catch up the sand. Yay, we're finally in this zone. I didn't expect us to be in there. The Kumba guy has 1 billion coins. I've been that far, dude. They act like they're awesome. I've been over 1 billion. And he just bought the magnifying glass. Oh my gosh. I got the magnifying glass on one time. And yes, I can't remember if it's in a video or not. I'm not sure. Dang! Give me that! Mythical! Yeet! Dude, you ain't no good. Okay, this guy ain't gonna be able to, the magnifying glass for him won't be good working. You ain't catching up to me that easily. Magnifying glass only take the... Oh, wait. 2,000. Wait. No. Take 4,000 and all, I believe. Right now. Let's do this video. I am so sorry. I have a 3,000 words and that opens up. Wow, that's pretty easily, dude. I'm just gonna end off the recording here with 54 rebirths. Yes, 54!